CV creation, Emirates Airline Cabin Crew, Application 2023. Understanding the CV submission stage. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. It is a software application that facilitates and automates the process of recruiting and hiring employees. ATS systems are commonly used by companies and organizations to manage their recruitment efforts, from posting job openings to tracking candidate applications and managing the hiring process. Emirates Airline uses a form of ATS as they receive hundreds of thousands of applications worldwide. That's why it is so important to understand and submit the CV in the correct format for it. To be selected for the next stage. Key functions of an applicant tracking system include 1. Job posting. ATS platforms allow recruiters to create and publish job openings across various job boards, company websites, and social media platforms. 2. These applications are often organized in a centralized database, making it easier for recruiters to review and compare candidates. 3. CV parsing. Many ATS systems can automatically extract information from CVs and applications, populating relevant fields in the database without manual data entry. There are also many more benefits to using ATS, such as candidate search and filtering, collaboration, compliance, reporting, and analytics, but we will focus on parsing and what this means for you. As an applicant, what is CV parsing? It is a feature commonly found in applicant tracking systems, ATS, that automates the extraction and organization of information from resumes and job applications. When candidates submit their CVs or application forms, the parsing technology scans the documents and extracts relevant data, such as contact details, work experience, education, skills, and other qualifications. Key aspects of CV parsing include 1. Data extraction. CV parsing software uses advanced algorithms to identify and extract specific sections of a CV, such as name, address, job history, education, and skills. 2. Formatting. The software can also handle variations in formatting and layout commonly found in CVs, ensuring that the extracted data is accurately placed in the appropriate fields within the ATS. 3. Accuracy. While parsing technology has become quite accurate, it may sometimes encounter challenges with complex formatting or uncommon layouts. Therefore, human oversight is often recommended to verify the accuracy of parsed data. 4. Customization. Some ATS platforms allow administrators to customize parsing rules based on their specific requirements and the types of positions they're hiring for. 5. Word extraction. In addition to basic information, CV parsing can also identify keywords and phrases that indicate relevant skills and experience. This can help recruiters search for candidates with specific qualifications more effectively. Normalization. CV parsing software can standardize job titles, education levels, and other data points to ensure consistency across the database. 7. Language support. Advanced parsing systems can handle resumes written in multiple languages and adapt to different linguistic nuances. 8. Integration. Parsing technology can integrate with other HR and recruitment software, creating a seamless flow of data and information. How to create an ATS-compatible CV. Creating an ATS-compatible CV involves formatting your CV to make it easy to extract relevant information. Here are some tips to help you create an ATS-friendly CV. 1. Use simple formatting. Stick to a simple and clean layout with standard fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Avoid using fancy fonts, colors, images, or graphics, as ATS systems may have difficulty processing them. 2. Use standard section headings. Use standard headings such as contact information, work experience, education, skills, and references. Avoid creating custom or creative headings that the ATS might not recognize. 3. Include relevant keywords. Tailor your CV to the specific job you're applying for by including relevant keywords and phrases from the job description. Use industry-specific terminology and phrases that the ATS might look for. 4. Use text-based documents. Save your CV in a text-based format, such as a Word document or a plain text file. Avoid using PDFs or other formats that might not be compatible with all ATS systems. 5. Don't use headers or footers. ATS systems may have trouble parsing information located in headers and footers, so it's best to include all important details in the main body of the document. 6. Bullet points and lists. Use bullet points and lists to present information, especially in the work experience and skills sections. ATS systems can easily parse bulleted lists and extract key details. 7. Consistent formatting. Maintain consistent formatting throughout the document. Use the same font size and style for headings, subheadings, and body text. Avoid using multiple font sizes or excessive formatting changes. 8. Spell out acronyms. Spell out acronyms the first time you use them and include the abbreviation in parentheses. A. G. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. 9. Avoid tables and graphics. ATS systems may struggle with interpreting tables, columns, and graphics. Use plain text for presenting information. 10. Include relevant contact information. Include your full name, phone number, email address, and location. Avoid using images or complex formatting for contact details. 11. List employment dates. Include specific employment dates, month and year, for each job position. ATS systems may use this information to analyze your work history. 12. Proofread and test. Before submitting your CV, proofread it carefully for spelling and grammatical errors. Test your CV in different ATS systems if possible to ensure the formatting and content are retained correctly. Remember that while optimizing your CV for ATS compatibility is important, it's equally crucial to ensure that your CV remains readable and engaging for human recruiters. Balancing both these factors will increase your chances of making a positive impression on both ATS systems and potential employers. Make sure you follow all the bullet points provided to increase your chances of selection during the Emirates application stage. I will be doing a follow-up video with examples of CVs that I have used in the past for my own applications, which led to success in being selected for Emirates and other airline roles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more upcoming content related to the Emirates, Etihad, and Qatar Airways application process in 2023. Thanks, and see you in the next video.